9:07 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. The date is 10/8/2014. We already did a live video in pre-market before the market opened up with CMRX. The first patient died and passed away in Texas from EBOLA, that disease. Did that have anything to do with CMRX? No. Did they ever treat the man? No. But I'm going to tell you something. That stock we sold because we bought this in anticipation when that stock pulled back early in the year, right here at that daily chart. This is where we wanted to get long. And once again, the success in biotech has been better than anything in our world from 2012 to current. New treatments are coming to the market. These people right here, I will give a full detail on it. We bought some of it. We still have several thousand shares at $25. Right now, the headline dropped the stock from $35.98 to $28. The volume is 9 million shares based on $7.98 range early in the morning. Now, I am going to blow up this daily chart right here, right now. When that headline hit, you can see this daily bar right here. And the day is far from being over. But what I will tell you is they dropped it to, let me tell you, they dropped it to, the red line is a 20-day simple moving average. And that was at 28.59. That's a 20-day simple moving average. Now, the blue line is a 10-day simple moving average at, let's not forget, at 29.79. Now, it was a buying opportunity. I really want people to understand one thing. Just like I said in video 1, if you do not have the risk management behind you, and you don't have a stop loss order that it will hit after having a big gain, you got to know when to pull the trigger and get out. Okay? This stock was overbought. It's still a great story. And I'm sure through the third phase of clinical trials are going to be outstanding. Just remember one thing. As far as that disease, EBOLA, there is no cure. There is no vaccine. They're going to have to fast track it. And not only that, we have some disturbing news about how this disease can be transmitted to other humans. And as soon as I get confirmation from my resources, then I will post it. And then they have told everybody that you could only get this by body fluid. Well, listen, until I have my facts and I got my management crew working on getting me the information, and the spread or transmission is possibly quite different than what we are led to believe. And once again, I'm going to just let people know that this is part 2 of the headline event that dropped this stock like a lead rock. You can see it right here. You can see it right there. And it hit the 20 and the 10-day moving average, and it got support. Now, ironically enough, when I draw that trend line for you, you're going to find out that from the bottom of this base down here, this is a base of where that breakout happened in the last, let's say, 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5th day. We call that the 5th crow. That's a breakout. That's a test at support. Yeah, it is. Now, here's the other thing. Right over here where this trend line is, this is where this stock had a 4-day run. It pulls back right here in the consolidation on a daily level and then breaks out to all-time highs. And we sold it. And we get to buy it again. Again and again and again. Just remember, the whole lesson learned for the public and the SEC, the regulators, because they look at our videos. They know what kind of volatility can happen in here. They know how the public can get hurt real bad. They know how people don't have the management, the stop management. the trade management and everything that everybody needs. But I'm still standing behind CMRX. I'm not changing my mind right now until I can get data that would tell me. And I'm going to say again, buy the dip, sell the rip. And this is part 2 of part 1 at 9:12 a.m. at 10/8/2014. And we will do part 3 at the closing bell. We just want people to understand how to get paid, how to buy the dip, how to trade a headline, for crying out loud. And you know what? The internet is full of headlines.